Hey, welcome back to Hope-Filled Marriage. My name is Dan. We've been talking recently about the top 3 things that a woman wants in a man. So far, we've said the number 1 thing is they want someone to love them, sacrificially put their needs secondary to the woman in their life. The number 2 thing we talked about was women want someone who is going to actively and intentionally learn them, not just sit back and let them do everything, but pursue them and learn everything they can about that woman. Today we're going to talk about the number 3 thing that I think every woman wants in a man. Every woman wants their man to be a leader. And I'm not talking about the grab him by the hair and drag him back to the cave kind of leader. I'm talking about a totally different kind of leader here. Despite all of the TV shows and popular culture telling us that women need to go out there and do it by themselves and they don't need anyone's help, most women would like to have a man in their life who steps up, who takes charge of things, and doesn't just passively sit back and do whatever the woman wants them to do. I mean, why do you think so many women spend so much time and energy trying to change their man? Because they're not who they want them to be. And being a leader is one of those big ticket items that women want in their man. Now, this doesn't mean that women don't have the ability to lead well. It just means that given their options, they would prefer to have someone else lead and not have to be that main person making all the decisions. A woman wants the following things from their leader. They want him to be humble. They want him to be patient. They want him to put other people's needs in front of their own. And they want this person to model what this leadership looks like and what they're asking others to do, not just sit back and tell them and expect it to get done. They also expect this leader in their life to be someone who is a good listener. If you can't listen well, you're not going to be a good leader. And you're not going to have anyone following you. Being a good leader in a relationship is only possible when the first 2 things that we talked about are occurring in your life. You can only be a good leader when you are intentionally loving someone, sacrificially giving up of yourself to love them, and when you're pursuing and learning them as best as you can. When you're doing those 2 things, the third thing, leadership, will fall right into line. So there you have it. The number 3 thing that a woman wants in a man is someone who will choose to humbly lead her. So what are your thoughts on the list? I'd like to hear. So go ahead and throw your comments below and we'll talk about it and we'll interact and we'll have a deeper conversation about the top 3 things that a woman wants from a man. So make sure you click on the subscribe button below. Go to my website, danschmoyer.com, where you're able to download a free ebook entitled How to Experience Hope in Your Difficult Relationships. I'm on Twitter at Dan Schmoyer. Follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.